What's up, YouTube? So the Walmart inventory checker says they have 4 Heart tool sets for $25 in the back. So we're gonna have to get somebody to go back there and get that. $156. I wonder if he wants to mark it down. I wonder if he's here. Let's see if he's here. If he's here, I'll buy it for. If he'll mark it down again. $8, probably not worth it. Hey, is David here? No? Okay. David's the only one I know that works here. How much is that? I don't know. I don't need no grill. These are not the ones. Yep. Let's see, Walmart. Scan and go. Too much. Everything that I do. I don't know why I'm even going over here. It says there's 4 in the bin, 0 on the floor. So I doubt there's any on the floor. I think they're right. No? Maybe over there. It's something like that. All right, so let's go to clearance, and then we'll get somebody to go in the bin and get those tool sets. Oh yeah, what are they called? The story time machines are on sale too for $13.50 here. I bought them for $10, so I don't know if I even want to pay $13.50. How much are these? These gotta be $5. Crap, they are $5. I think I'm buying those at $5.
What you doing?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to hold them for a long time, but buy them for $5. Sell them for $10. Why not? Yeah, they were just marked down today. I mean, $5. Yeah. I can absolutely double my money on those. $6, $7. Are these worth $7? It's so weird. They were $12.50 and they marked them to $7 and not $6. I did sell a bunch of these. $7. Let's go see if they're worth $7. They are not anymore. They might be. I make 16 minus shipping. Shipping's $8. I make $8. How much are they on Walmart? Because I can sell them both. Let's see. Let's go to Walmart. How much are they? Okay. It says 45. So I guess we'll buy these two. Why not? Let's see. I mean, they were $50. Into the future. Having issues over here. Oh well. Alright. Into the sea. We'll leave that one just for y'all. I'd hate to clear them. Alright, we're buying those too. $5 Barbies all day. I will absolutely buy $5 Barbies. Alright, $5 canopy accessories. I don't know what that is. What's your tents? 25. That might be okay too. 25. They were 124. Crap. I might have to buy tents. What we got? Let's see. How much do this? So for 89. I'm sure there's no listing for them right there. There we go. Maybe it'll scan now. It sure did, but it didn't come up. I think it's a good deal. Oh. I know it's a good deal. They were $124. Oh. So we gotta buy these too. I can't get it in. No comment on that one. So all my rearranging didn't help. 35, that's too much. Yeah. Let's try this. Where are the employees at? I got asked to go in the back. There we go. Don't let me forget to get this stuff. How much are these? $7. I thought it said $1. Alright. Let's put a 10 up there. Or in here. It's about 20 pounds. Holy moly. Alright, maybe one more. There we go. Okay. Put this right here. Get my Barbie. We good. How much are these? What are these? $4. What are they? Kids chair. No, thank you. Too much on those. Let's see about this disc golf set. They're 16. This seems like too much. Okay, too much. No listing. Grass seed, how much is grass seed? It's crap. 40 pounds. Ooh, too much, way too much. $40. $1 a pound. Customer needs assistant in toys. We need to look for more of these Barbies. Let's see what Barbie this is. Touch of Magic. Yeah, Touch of Magic Barbie. We actually need an employee to go in the back while we look. 35, that's too much. Sir, there's some tool sets in the back. Do you think you can get them?
Your tool set?
Tool sets in the bin. Can I give you the barcode and you see if you can get it? I don't know where you work, so that's why
I
I'm
work outside. Get the
You work outside? Oh, you
know
don't.
what
Gotcha. Okay. Maybe I can get her to do it. It says you have tool sets in the back. It says you have tool sets in the back, 4 of them. Do you think you can go back there? I can show you the UPC. You can scan it. Let's see where it is. Nope, not those. Do you know where those are, by the way? I haven't looked for them yet. No? Okay. It says you have like 8 of those here. Let's see. Right here. There's a UPC if you want to scan it. I didn't find anybody over there in the tools, so I'll take all 4 of them if you find it. Okay, here we go. What are we looking for? We're looking for dolls. I'm looking at those Legos. I swear I bought those Legos before. Hold on, let me scan these Legos. See if those are on clearance. Walmart, right there. Okay, let's try scanning it with Scan and Go since it didn't give me a price with the regular scanner. Try it. $26. See, that's why you use the Scan and Go and not regular Walmart app. Okay, Barbie, that's right. We're looking for Barbies. Wonder if it's those. Is it those? Magic, Touch of Magic. I wonder if she's marked down as well. I hope so.
It was on clearance, sir, and it's gone.
Oh, I mean, do we have anybody that'll go in the back and look in the bin where it gives you the location?
It's gone. It was on clearance, sir. It's gone.
Okay, do we have, is the store manager here? I'll get him to go look in the bin because it gives you a bin location where it is.
That's the coach, but okay.
Okay. What was it?
Well, this says all Barbies.
Go ahead. Okay, she was already saying it's gone. So that means she's not gonna go look for it. Which sucks for us. We'll have to get somebody else because she does not want to go there. Even when I gave her the UPC, she looked lost. So I wish I had more of those.
We've got a question for you. Does scoring taste of dip made with corn?
Let's see. I need assistance here.
To watch the cruise on Sunday. You want to snack like one too. That's why Game Day Host and Snack Fans turn to Hormel Foods. Because everyone knows it's more about the food than the football. Hormel Foods, here for the snacks. This isn't a paid advertisement.
35, they still haven't marked these down. Barcode's right here in the middle. I've scanned this 100 times. Right there. 35, too much. I'm looking for story machines too, which I'm sure those are all gone because they're on clearance in her eyes.
perfect finish, treat yourself to our fair trade cocoa chocolate bars.
Wouldn't be there.
Crafted in Switzerland,
Maybe right here.
experience. Barbies brings culinary excellence and reach for everyone. Available only at Walmart.
Maybe over here. I don't know why I'm looking for them. I don't think I'll buy them at $13.50. Story. My voice is messed up because I've been yelling at the basketball game. I coach my son for basketball. And we had the game before, and then I came to work. Went to get stuff. I don't see them. That's so weird. I think they had an end cap. But I'll be back. Either way, I'll be back.
You sure you don't want to get a puzzle?
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Puzzles.
See, I knew they could find it. I didn't know for real. Because they... Whew. There we go. All because the inventory checker told me these were in the back. Let me scan them. Make sure they're 25 bucks. Scan and go. See if it reads it without the bar. There we go. See if I can do it. Nope, scan again. So let's do this. There we go. $25. Perfect. I might get something else. Let's see. Let's see about this. $4. No. $5. I think that is all. $3 tumblers. They were 10. Nah. Good. Yeah, we're good. All right. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Check out my membership. There we go. Check out my membership. Have all these UPCs in there. Check out the inventory checker. It told me there was 4 in the back room. Just got to get an employee to go back there and look. Like the video and comment on the video. Any comment. I don't care what it is. Just comment, please. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. There we go. This is better. I messed the other part up. Sorry about that, but here you go. This is what I got. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Check out my inventory checker. Thanks for watching. What's up, YouTube? See if we can find anything. Lots of grills. Let's see. I don't know. Had to be really cheap for me to get a grill. $191. What's regular price on these? $547. Oh. Okay. That's 28. Let's see what the 36 inch is. 341, 700 is regular price. That's crazy. Crazy. Nothing back here. Let's go this way. We're looking for splatter guns, I think they're called. SPLATR. It says I have 2 on the floor, 2 in the bin, which I'm sure I can get somebody to get them out of the bin. And they're $24, which is okay, I guess. Not the best price, but not. Other Walmarts have them for more. Is it that one? I don't know. Let's see. Scan the. So that is not it. It's right there. It says they have 2 in the bin. Do we want to get somebody to get it? Yeah. Look, Ma, I made it. I bet you that's those up top right there. Yep. Oh. Somebody gonna leave their cart. I bet you those are it. Boom. Let's see. Okay. Are these $24? $24.58. I don't think that's the right ones then. No, it's not. Well, they're a speaker, so freaking copyright. Put those back. Okay. Maybe I'll have to get somebody to get them out of the bin then. I didn't want but 2. I was gonna see how fast they sell. So if they had 2 on the floor, I was gonna get those 2. And then come back if they sell fast and get the other 2. All these clearance reels, they're all gone though. $2. I got those a while ago. $6.50. No, thank you. $2. that tower right there? This tower. Pretty positive this tower is on sale. That's an old. Where's the UPC to this? Right there. 15. That's not on sale enough for me. I bought them for 10. I got My Life down here. I hope they're cheap enough to buy. I was looking for that. Oh, that's not the right one. Oh. $10 is too much. $56, $8. I think we might buy them all. $8 ones. 15's too much. 15 too much. I think we're gonna buy all these. Let's see. Look at all those. I think we're buying them. I can get 15, so I'll make $7. I think I can get 15. Aren't they regular 25, $30? Yeah. I gotta call my wife and see. I'll be back in a minute. Well, let me check this stuff right here. Golf balls. Let's see about the golf balls. $6. Oh, they're Titleist. Oh yeah, I see that now. I'm not sure. I don't think these are worth it. $250. These are worth it. Let's buy these. These are $22. I bought these for $4, so we can't pay 10. Too much. Let's see about the Legos. I don't think the Legos are worth it. 74. Nope, too much. Let's see about her. Into the Unknown. I know my daughter would like that for Easter. $18. It's not worth it for me to. Dang. Need one more mark down on them. $20, I'm guessing. Yeah. Guys, what are we doing? Wish I was live. I can ask y'all if we were getting all these or not. I guess I'm gonna ask my wife, see what she says. So I'll be back in a second. See what she says. All right, my wife said yes. She said don't clear the shelf, which is hard for me not to clear the shelf on anything. So we'll see. Then we gotta see what else they have. Because if they mark these down, that means they're probably marked other stuff down. See, I think like this one is cute, and I don't like think anything's cute for real. That one's fine. If this one's 10, we're not grabbing. Okay, I think they're 8. I'm not sure. Now I gotta scan this crap. Like, if this is 10, I don't want 10. I want 8. I think these are 10 because they're bigger. Yeah, they're 10. All right, we're leaving the $10 ones. So we'll take the good vibes. Is she grabbing all those, whatever those are? Oh. 10, so we get this. Just this one. I think that's okay. And that one. We'll let somebody else get that one. Hatchimals. These are too much. She said no on these. $8 is too much. Yeah. That's all. What's that about this? Cotton candy machine. It's only half off. Don't want that.
Do we want to get those for next year's Christmas, or you take none?
Those are 10. That's 8. We can get these two. She don't fit, so she go on top. There we go. Just wipe them out. Why not? That right there, that right there. All right. See what else. Oh. I want to see what she got because I didn't even look down there. What are these? I still don't even know what these are. They're $1. What are these? Kevin Harvick. I know who he is. Do we have anything that's Joey Logano? Let's just scan one. Let's see. Thursday and Friday and Saturdays. Okay. $2, which we already knew that. I doubt they have a listing. Nope. Okay. We can put those back. Or put this back. I'm still curious about those. But whatever. Tuesday, we can learn love on a Wednesday. Thursday and Friday and Saturday, still Sunday. I think they got them all. She was going to look. We're good on that. I don't know if we should get the splatter balls or not. Ask somebody to get them or not. I think we're done. I mean, we filled out the cart. That's the main goal. And there's no telling how long these were there for. Yeah, we're done. In this world, let's get this copyright music on. Like, comment, subscribe, share, check out my membership. Check out the inventory checker that's in the comments. It's pinned. It's the first comment you see. All you have to do is click on that and get the inventory checker. And I'm gonna go to all the rest of the Walmarts and see if there's any more that's cheaper for these. Who knows? There might be. But that's how you do it. Please comment on the video. Just say hi. Say whatever. Thanks for watching.